up I went, the more snow I was hitting. So I'm like, turn this train around and find the lower stuff. Oh, son of a... Oh, gosh, that hurt.
This seems like a wonderful time for me to pop in here and say, hello, everybody. This ride happened about a year ago, and this is on my TM300. I gave this bike away. It was a sweepstakes bike, but I noticed there was a lot of content that I had on the bike that I never put out, and there was a bunch of riding footage, and this has happened to me over the years where I've had a lot of riding footage that just never got put out. Well, recently I haven't been riding a lot, and so I've been thinking about some of these other, rides and different dirt bikes that I've ridden over the years and how I didn't put some of that content out. So this is the TM EN300 ES FI2T, and it's a fuel injected two-stroke. A lot of people love these things. It's based, a lot of this, to be completely honest, is based off, I feel like when I'm riding this bike, I feel like I'm riding in a Yamaha. At least I did at the time. A lot of similarities. It's got a frame that really, really resembles like a Yamaha or a Honda with that, aluminum frame. But then you're riding like an updated, modern two-stroke, which has kind of a cool flavor to it as far as the two-stroke motor. And this is, fuel injected and everything. So fun bike to ride. And I was out there this day just kind of getting to know the bike a little bit more. And I just wanted to bring some of this footage to you. Can't wait to get out, and the weather maybe start to turn here a little bit so I can get out. I've got some footage from a media day thing that I did here last week with Yamaha out in South Carolina, but I can't really show any of that to you guys yet because it's under embargo. But when that does come out from under embargo, which will be a few days after probably you see this video, then I can talk a lot more about the 2024 Yamahas. And I was riding the two strokes and the YZ450FX and the YZ250X and the YZ125X, and they were 2024 models. So I'll have some information on that. And but until that time, let's just watch a little bit here of the TM. So anyway, leave a single track, guys. Thanks.
Dang corner. Sorry, family program. Can't make the dang corner because the tree branch is right in my bloody way. Oh yeah, that's a... Check that out. So what we're going to do is wheelie over that crevice. See, here's the snow over on this one. Right up in front of me. Just covering the trail a bit. It's just insane, the snow year we had. So, what we'll do is use this opportunity to practice a pivot turn. Wow, that left elbow right here. Oh man, that hurts. It's just the tendonitis. Got to get that worked out because it hurts opening up like right now bottles. I've had it years ago. I don't know why it just came back, but it's no good. Like shaking somebody's hand. I don't shake my hand typically with the left, but like opening, say like my hydration bottles and opening different jars and things. Oh my gosh, it hurts. And then even last night, just like I got up to I even like washing hands. Like just the motion of just kind of washing hands with pressure against my, it's wheelie over that. It hurts, man. lifting yesterday. Even just the act of bench pressing, oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. I'll tell you what doesn't hurt, this bike does not hurt. It's performing fantastic. It's great, man. Bike runs like a screaming eagle. Handles really well. Very short feeling though, front to back. That's for sure. Very nimble. Nimble and agile for sure. Let's see if this little thing is dry. Glide through a couple of little whoops right there. Feels good. Bike feels really good. Awesome. I feel like some of these trails are just so fun. That was a dumb thing to say. Of course they're fun. There's a trail that goes down in a wash right now. Oh goodness, what's going on here? Let's not kill ourselves on that today. There's a trail that goes down in that wash right there. Well, it used to, but now water's running down in there. So I'm not gonna go down in that, but that was kind of fun. I'll have to wait for all that water to come out.